We hear repair your barrier everywhere, but what are we actually fixing? The barrier is a brick and mortar system. So the skin cells are the bricks, the lipids are the mortar that holds everything together. So repair isn't about coating the skin, it's about restoring balance between ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. So, what we don't want to do are things like over exfoliate, layer too many actives, or change everything at once. Instead, we want to simplify, we want to hydrate gently, and then nourish with supportive lipids. Watch this next. It shows how barrier repair actually looks in a simple beginner routine. If you want calm, no hype barrier education, be sure to come back for our next lesson.